Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RideNexus and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a machine that defines automotive aggression, the custom Audi RS5. Finished in a stunning gloss black. Just look at that stance. This is where high performance meets pure visual drama. At its core, this is an Audi RS5, but the wide-body treatment transforms it. The flared fenders are the star of the show, giving it a much wider, more muscular silhouette that screams racing pedigree. Every panel seems to flow into the next, culminating in a rear design that's absolutely menacing. Notice the specific deep gloss black paint, which adds a layer of sophistication to the brutal look. Let's focus on the back. The custom rear diffuser is massive, integrated seamlessly into the bumper. It's not just for looks. It's a statement of aerodynamic intent, featuring prominent vertical fins to manage airflow. Flanking it are the huge oval-shaped twin exhaust outlets, hallmarks of an Audi RS model, hinting at the thunderous sound from the engine. This black Audi RS5 widebody is the perfect marriage of luxury, track performance, and street presence. It's a testament to bold automotive design. It demands attention and backs it up with exhilarating performance. What do you think of this aggressive look?